Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Hope you guys are doing good, man. I'm back from the vacay, man. I had a good vacation, man. I was on a cruise, chilling. I was relaxing. I got a beard and everything now. I'm old, you feel me? Oh, bro. But hope you guys are doing good, man. I know my videos been slacking lately, but my laptop broke. It's broken, so I have to buy a new one. And yeah, I'm out of luck, man. I'm out of luck. I don't know why it just broke on me, but it just fucking broke. But I am about to do the fender, and I'm going to do that, and I'm going to tell you guys a story behind this whole fender thing, why everything happened, and you know. So let's get to that and let's get this done. It's really simple. It's just one bolt here, one bolt right here, one bolt right here. Oh, my bad. One bolt right there, and then there's like 2 bolts in here, and then there's a bolt where the fender and the door meet. So it's like inside of here in this crack. And there's like 2 bolts right here, so I have to take the bumper off, so you know it's hanging and I can get the fender off. So yeah, it's really simple. Look how bad this fender is. Ooh, get out of here. But yeah, and I have the new fender over there. Sorry for all the mess. I still have to get it painted, so I'm gonna get that done tomorrow. I'm just putting it on today, so the guy that I'm gonna take it to, so he has it on the car, so he blends it in with the car. And yeah, man, I literally just got back home from work. See, I'm still in like my work clothes. I work at BMW, guys. You see? German engineering, guys. You feel me? Yeah, it's probably like, yo, he had a Volkswagen working at BMW. What's wrong with this man? Like, what you doing, my guy? But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? But so I got all, well, I need, I think 2 more nuts, and then the finishes come right off. It's quick, man. It's a couple nuts, that's it. And hopefully, I got an eBay fender, so hopefully it fits good and perfect. Cross a finger. So I'm gonna see how this goes. So the fender is finally off, and yo, I ain't gonna lie, there's more screws than I expected, bro. I had to take all these screws off down here, this right here, this here. Even had to take my lights off. I didn't know it was that much, but I got it off, guys. Dang, I'm trying crusty up here. But yeah, whew, I look weird. I'm gonna ride like that. Well, guys, the fender is on, bro. Oh, bro, it looks great, man. You don't understand how great of a feeling this is just to see that fender gone, guys. Like, oh, I can't wait to get it painted tomorrow too, man. Oh my god, I ain't gonna lie, the film is kind of off. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just having it on for now so I can just get it painted, and then after I'm gonna really like mess with it, you feel me? But I'm gonna show you guys though. Ooh, look how crispy that is. Look at my fingerprints everywhere. Well, look, see the thing is kind of off a little bit right here, and right here is kind of off too. Like I said, I'm gonna mess with it when I'm really gonna do it, you know, I'm really just have the spare time to mess with it. But look at it, guys. Oh, look at that old rusty disgusting, look at that. Ugh. This fender was disgusting. Look at this, bro. Oh man, I can't wait to get it painted tomorrow, guys. Yo, it's gonna look great tomorrow for sure. Guys, I got my bumper painted. Look at it, yo. Woo! It's crispy, guys. Look at it. But tomorrow I have to bring it back to work because he's gonna buff it out and get it all nice and flat and shiny. So I have to bring it back and get it done. I have a little like weird dent here too, that I guess that came off when it came from freaking eBay or wherever it came from. I guess they kind of messed it up, or I messed up, I don't know. But look at the bumper, guys. Look at it. Freaking, that shit was hanging out because my bumper was messed up too. And the guy at my job, he freaking, I don't know what he did. He did something. He put like a screw in there and just put some like glue or something, and bam. But the fender though, whew, crispy, bro. You gotta come back and get it cured up. It should be tip top. And he painted down there too. I had like a mean scratch down there, and he painted that as well. But yo, so nice. Oh, so happy, yo. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get into this whole fender thing. Like I've been telling you guys, I've been waiting to tell you the story about what happened with my fender, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys probably seen my video already on what happened. But if you guys haven't, I'm about to hit you with a refresh of what happened. Got a little ghetto background, you feel me? But gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna start this off by what was it? I think it was a Wednesday. It was either a Wednesday or a Thursday. I remember, I think it was a Thursday because I wasn't working that day. And so, no, it was a Wednesday because I got called into work, but I said, not gonna go to work. So it was a Wednesday morning. I went to, what did I go to do? I went to go change my coils because I had coils before, but I didn't like them too much. My brother bought new coils, so he was getting rid of his old ones. And so I was like, you know what, let me get your old ones. I'll buy them off you. So I went to do that at my dad's shop because my dad he's a truck mechanic. He works on diesel trucks. So I was at his shop and I was doing it over there with my brother. You know, everything went fine, this and that. And on the way home, I was hearing some weird noise on the right side of my car. I was hearing like a weird like knocking noise when I turned to like the left or to the right. And so I was at the house and you know what, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna check it out because I had to go somewhere that day, so I needed to check it out to see if nothing was wrong. And so my dumbass, sorry for my language, decided to use the Widowmaker. And if you guys know what the Widowmaker is the jack that comes with the car. It's the stock jack, and that is the most dangerous jack known to man. That's all I'm saying. And the thing was, my brother had the good jack in his car, but he wasn't at the house. So I had to use my jack regardless. So I was there at the house. I had the car jacked up and everything. You know, I had it, you know, wood and everything, so the car won't go anywhere. E-brake up, all that. And the thing is, my house has like a little slant on the driveway, so that came into play as well. So I was there, you know, I was on the phone literally like 5 minutes before everything happened on the phone with my dad. And he just asked me if everything was good. I was like, you know, I'm just checking my car right now, this and that. He's like, all right. So, yeah, I said so like 50 times. I was there, the car was jacked up, you know, I had some cranberry juice. I was getting lit with the cranberry juice. You fails me. I was like, so I went back, I checked everything, and I was like, I couldn't find out what it was. So I went to put my wheel back on, and that's when everything went down south. So as I'm putting, imagine you're in the wheel bay where the wheel goes into, and I'm putting the wheel back, and I hear a noise, and I'm like, what is that? I heard like a crack, and I looked down to the left. My dog is here. What's up now? I'm about to sleep. But I looked down towards the left where the jack was at, and as soon as I looked down, all I see is the jack tilting. And at that time, I was just like, everything froze. Like, I was just like, whoa, like, I gotta get out of this situation. Like, I froze for like a millisecond. I was like, I looked back and I went like this. And the car fell, and I guess I didn't get my finger out in time. And the car just, the fender and the wheel, and the wheel caught the tip of my middle finger, as you guys could see. It's all like, you see it's a little bit shorter, if you could tell from these fingers. I don't know if it's good, if you guys could see, but all right here, I got you. As you guys can see, the finger is a little bit shorter, the tip is gone. But the car fell and it caught it just clean, like it was a good clean cut. And in my head, I was like, I looked at my hands and I was like, that's too much blood coming out of my finger. And then the pain kicked in immediately. I was just like, you don't understand how many F-bombs I dropped that time. At that time, it was insane how many F-bombs I dropped. But as soon as it happened and I noticed my finger was bleeding too much, I pulled my phone out, called 911, and they came as quick as they came, you know. But I tried to get into my house. This is another thing I messed up on my behalf, was when I get home, I locked the door. And I had the door locked, but my grandma was in the house, but she was in the bathroom at the time. And so I'm banging on the door, and I'm just throwing the F-bomb out. I'm just going crazy, yo. And no one came to the door, so I was just out there bleeding. Freaking my finger was full of blood. I had blood all over my shirt and my pants and stuff. But luckily, my neighbor was there, and he heard me dropping the meth bombs, you feel me? And he came to my rescue, and he took me to his house. It was like right there in the corner. And his wife was there, and they put a rag over my hand. They put pressure on it. And oh, man, the pain I was going through, yo. It was horrible, guys. But, so yeah, I was at my neighbor's house, and the ambulance came, and the fire truck came, and it was a whole scene. Freaking my whole like neighborhood was out there, because yo, they heard me screaming. I was screaming loud, man. You understand? That was the most painful thing that's ever happened in my life, yo. Like, I do not want you guys to even go through that. So if you have a Widowmaker, bro, get rid of it. I am telling you that right now. That is death right there. So yeah, so that happened, and I get to the hospital. I'm just in the hospital like this, my hand up. I couldn't move my hand out. I was going through so much pain, you understand? I couldn't move. I had to do an x-ray to check if it didn't hit my bone. Luckily it didn't. But I had to do an x-ray. I couldn't. They told me to like go like this, and I couldn't. I was like this, and it was straight pain, like sharp pain and thumping. Just imagine someone has some big Timbs, yo, and they just stomping on your freaking finger the whole time. That's what it felt like. It was bad. But yeah, guys, that's what happened. And they couldn't save the tip of my finger because I guess, I don't know why. They never told me. They just couldn't save it. But I really don't care. It's just the tip. Luckily, it wasn't a whole finger, you feel me? Or more fingers, you know, because luckily it was just a little tip right here. So the thing is, I have perfect movement. I feel everything still. It's a little bit sensitive, I ain't gonna lie, but I feel everything, which is great. So, but yeah, guys, that's the story behind my finger and that fender too. And the thing is, I wanted to change that fender because it just every time I see it, it gives me like chills and stuff. You feel me? I don't like looking at it because it reminds me every time. Every time I remember or it comes back to my head, I remember every second that happened. Like, it's insane. Like, I remember every single thing that happened, every step, every movement, everything. It's crazy, yo. And it's like, at moments I do think like, damn, what if my head was under there, or what if my whole body was under there? That would have been, you feel me? And it's like something you can't really think about because it gets to your head, but I don't let it get to my head like that. I think about it, I'm just like, oh, you know, just get out of here. But honestly, I'm happy. It doesn't affect my life. Honestly, I look at it like every day, you feel me? Because I have to use my hands every day. I look at my hands every day, but I live my life with it like this. I don't care. As long as I have my finger, you know, and I have my other fingers that haven't been chopped off too. But yeah, guys, that is the story behind that disgusting fender and why I wanted to change it and wanted to get rid of it. But lesson learned, guys. Don't use the Widowmaker. That thing is bad. I'm about to sue Volkswagen, man. No, I'm joking. But guys, if you made it to the end of this video, man, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for the love and support, guys. All you guys are out there commenting like, yo, man, I love the vid. You guys are asking me what I should get for your cars and stuff, and I give you guys, you know, advice and stuff. But thanks for everything, guys. I don't even know how to exit this video. But thanks, guys. I said it for the third time already. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. I love you guys so much, man. Have a great day. There's more vids coming out, guys. And I got a little project that's coming. Hey, guys, always use a V-dub thing, you feel me? Most of you guys probably know what I'm talking about already. You guys on Facebook probably seen me posting something. But just know there's more content coming because I'm trying to get something, man. And it's been like, you know, freaking eating me away. I've been wanting to get it. So just wait for that. So thanks again, guys, for the love, support. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bling, bling. Peace out to the finger, y'all. Peace.